the best Rice Krispie cookies you've ever tasted in your life if you make these. And no, don't use the back of the box. Those are not the same. These are from way back when, and they're really messy, and they're really good. You can tell by the cards. We've used this a lot, and everyone loves it. So first thing you'll need is 1 cup of butterscotch morsels, half a cup of messy peanut butter, and it can be crunchy if you like crunchy, and 4 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. This is 6 ounces of chocolate chips. That's my sifter. 2 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of powdered sugar, and water, tablespoon of water. And this is the double broiler I invented here because I don't have the exact pan, but we're throwing in the butterscotch morsels and the peanut butter, and you'll want to put that on a low to medium heat once it heats up, and stir continually as those melt. It's a little messy. I could have gone with a smaller pan, but you know, I haven't made this in so many years, and I asked my mom for the recipe for it. So you've got to try it. My daughter and husband already tried it and they love it. So it's going to be a creamy finish once everything's melted. And now we are dumping in a bowl 4 cups of our Rice Krispies, and we're putting that melted mixture of butterscotch and peanut butter inside. And stir, stir, stir. And once you're done with this, getting it all blended together, you will put it in a pan. A 9x13 is what I used. And you'll want to make this ahead of time here, and then wait till it cools completely before the next step. So just press down all corners and wait a couple hours till it's firmed up and cool. And then now this next part is the chocolate part with my invented little double broiler I did. You need to boil that water, but don't let it touch the bowl. And this is an old sifter that I got from my grandma, and it is amazing. Made in the USA. Perfect snow sifting your powdered sugar. And this part you'll need 2 tablespoons of butter. Then you'll add your chocolate chips. You can use semi-sweet or milk chocolate. I use milk chocolate. Then your powdered sugar that's sifted. And I almost forgot an ingredient, which is very important, which is a tablespoon of water. But I did add it, and I should have added a little bit more on this first round of chocolate that I made. I made extra, so if it's not looking shiny and creamy, then you need to add a little bit of water at a time. The second time I added more chocolate, so this was not enough, so I just needed to double the chocolate portion of the recipe. So this next part is what it's supposed to look like, and I totally forgot. Like I said, it's been years since I've made it, but it needs this glossy shine, and you just can drizzle it over, and you'll wait a couple hours and this hardens. My mom did this recipe a little bit different. She put a layer of Rice Krispies on the bottom, a layer of the chocolate, and then another layer of Rice Krispie. I just put it on the top. You'll see why here in a minute.
2,000 years later.
After it's been setting and cooled and refrigerated for a couple hours, then I attempt these Christmas cookie with a Christmas tree, snowman. I think I have an angel and a star and a stocking. And trust me, you'll want to refrigerate that for a while because it'll make it easier to get these cookies out. And don't worry, I did not waste around the edges. Once I cut these out, they did turn out really cute, actually. I was not sure how they were going to turn out. So I'm just pressing them all in here. This is my gnome cookie containers that I use. I wasn't sure how I was going to attempt this, so I started cutting it around the cookies. But then later I didn't quite do it that way. I used the spatula and then cleaned them up over in the container, the gnome container. Normally I wouldn't go to all this trouble and I would just leave them as they were and not do these shapes, but I thought, it's Christmas, I'm gonna make little cookies out of them. So there's my spatula, trying to get it out, figure it out. And it did work, so. This is how they came out. You see the gingerbread man and the stockings and the angel. Well, I figured, you know what, I need a dusting of snow, or AKA powdered sugar. Using that really old sifter is amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you're going to try this recipe. I'm telling you, you will never use that back of that box ever again on that cereal. So this is how they turned out. I appreciate all of you for watching. I'm sorry I'm late on this Vlogmas. And this is the final cookies. I hope you have a great day, and until next Vlogmas video, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.